Break up ng Katniel. Confirm! Tulad na lang ng pagbe-break up ng boses ko.
Excuse me po.
Baka sabihin ninyo, OA yung mga Katniel na fans. Halos kalahati ng buhay namin kasama yung Katniel.
Ang nafe-feel ko sa breakup nila is napapagod na din siguro si Kath at nasagad na din siya.
Yung nakapagpapuno kay Catherine, nagkita daw nagkikita multiple times na.
These are the things that you needed to know for you to be up to date sa Katniel breakup.
Ang tanong ng bayan, Siyang, totoo ba yung K? Andres Brillantes?
Kailan ito ipinanganak, itong paghihiwalay na ito? Ang sabi ng aking source, bilangin ninyo yung panahon na si Catherine ay ibang-iba na ang gaya.
Kaya lang na nag-break na sila few months ago. Ayaw pa rin sila pa-announce ng management.
Malalim na usapan yan kasi malaking negosyo yan. Malaking pera ang involved.
Daang milyones yung value niya. Tapos sa announce nila, nag-break na kayo. Branding yan.
Yo, what's up? This is Real Talk, Darbs, ang pambansang issue analyzer ng Pilipinas, wherein I'm trying to influence you how to think critically about sa mga recent viral social issues ngayon dito sa Pilipinas. Grabe guys, kayo kasi mga chismoso kayo, ang dami nagre-request, so kahit pa-OSG tayo. And today, we're gonna be talking about another viral topic dahil ang buong Pilipinas ay nagluluksa ng opisyal na in-announce ng Katniel ang kanilang pagbe-break.
It's true that Tidge and I have decided to part ways.
Anong gagawin mo kung sa hinaba-haba ng pinagsamahan nyo ay mauuwi lang din sa hiwalayan? Nag-grow apart lang ba ang Katniel or may third party involved?
And I have mad respect for you dahil kinaya mo pa rin ako ipagtanggol.
Hanggang kailan kaya tayo mag-move on ng dahil dito? At pumasok ka ba kinabukasan nung in-announce nila nag-break na sila?
Pansamantalang suspendido ang klase.
And of course, what are the things that we may be able to learn from this kind of situation? Let's find out. First, let me give you a brief context. Kilala nyo naman na ang Katniel dahil recently lang, we talked about an issue speculating na nagkaroon ng third party si Daniel Padilla at ang sinasabing babae daw ay si Andrea Brillantes.
And I have mad respect for you dahil kinaya mo pa rin ako ipagtanggol.
Kung gusto mong mapanood ang buong tea, go to the comment section kasi ipopost ko doon ang link para updated ka sa dahilan. Tapos bumalik ka dito at panoorin mo akong chismosa ka.
Ulam namin ngayon ay chismis. Walang makakatalo sa sarap ng chismis.
Ilan sa mga nagpakalat ng balita na ito ay sina Christopher Min,
Hiwalay na po talaga sina Catherine Bernardo at Daniel Padilla.
OG Diaz,
Tungkol sa Katniel, sa break-up, di umano.
at Christian Gaza.
Kaya lang na nag-break na sila few months ago. Ayaw pa rin sila pa-announce ng management. Negosyo yan, Brad eh. Daang milyones yung value niya. Branding yan, Katniel. Tapos sa announce mo na break-up. Of course not!
Na hindi pinaniwalaan ng mga tao until now. Now, let's go back to the issue. Katapusan ng November ay nag-post si Catherine sa kanyang Instagram confirming her breakup with Daniel Padilla in a 6-page IG post.
I've been in showbiz for almost 21 years now. 12 years as the one half of Katniel, and 11 years as someone who loved Tidge behind the camera.
Do you see Daniel Padilla in your future? Yes or no? Oh my God, yes! Why not?
I promise to never lose myself in this industry. So I've always been as authentic to you as I can be.
Do you think I'm your soulmate?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
I know what many of you are thinking right now. And as hard as it is to put everything into words, I want you to hear it straight from me. It's true that Tidge and I have decided to part ways. Tidge, you gave me 11 beautiful years, the kind of love that I will forever cherish. I will always be grateful for you.
Sinundan naman ito ni Daniel sa kanyang Instagram account na sa huli ay mensahe lang para kay Catherine.
Bal, ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo ay walang hanggan at walang katapusan.
Madaling araw ng December 1, 2023, nag-FB Live si Sian Gaza and shared with his followers some of the things that his sources have shared to them, kung saan umabot ito ng 305,000 live audiences. Sinabi doon na matagal na daw talagang hiwalay ang Katniel.
Hindi pala recently. Pero dinedelay lang nila yung announcement. Matagal na palang break. Ayaw lang nila paalam, dinedelay nila. Pero dahil pala desisyon ako magde-decide.
He also said that spreading the news is also an act of concern.
Pagod na yan. Pagod na yan sa pambababae ni Pagod na yan. Sa tingin nyo, for the last 11 years, isa lang? Dami, boy. Napakarami.
Now, marami pang sinabi si Sian Gaza dito, but I don't think relevant pa siya sa issue na ito. Naglabas din ng mensahe ang mother ni Daniel na si Carla Estrada at ang sabi niya,
"We love you both."
While their fans are really affected by this news, ang iba naman ay dinaan na lang sa humor ang news na ito, just to compensate the heaviness of it.
Solid ng promo ngayon ng Shawarma Shack, buy one take one. Sana tumagal yung promo.
Ay, wala po muna kaming promong buy one take one.
Grabe. Akala ko sila na hanggang katapusan.
Sakto, katapusan ho ngayon.
Moreover, naglabasan naman ng ilang speculations mula sa mga netizens. Tulad na lang ng post na ito kung saan maaaring nagkasama si Andrea at Daniel sa out of the country trip. So, what are the 3 things that we may be able to learn from this kind of situation? Wala tayong lesson today. Sabay-sabay kayong umiyak. Tulad ng sinabi ko last time, number 1, eventually the truth will reveal itself. And I'm glad that it did. Hindi naman ito nakakasaya ng puso, pero at least ngayon malinaw na at galing na mismo sa mga taong involved. I know that there are no smoke without fire, but it's really a great practice to wait for the truth to be revealed by the people who is involved by it all. Hindi yung maiyabang lang na tama sila. Number 2, God can turn dead ends to doorways. You know what, I don't want to sound preachy, but break up like this could really make you lose hope with love. And I've been there. Akala ko wala nang chance to love again. But there are things that needed to happen so both people could grow and turn into a person that they are really meant to be. Yung akala mo tapos na, simula pa lang pala. Please, don't lose hope. Number 3, there are stories that aren't yours to tell. Nandidismaya ako sa mga taong hilig manguna sa buhay ng may buhay. Yes, I get that you know some facts and you have a reliable source, but is it your story to tell? I hope that we also give the people the right to take control of their own life, to decide whether, when, or how they would announce some news about them. Kung tayo nga ngayon ay nahihirapan, what more pa sila? Maybe they are still on their face na gusto muna nilang sarilihin ang paghilom. Magandang mas handa na silang humarap kesa sa kahapon. I hope that you don't take that away from them. Real talk. Ang sakit, no? Aminin mo, last content about them that I have mentioned. Sinabi ko doon, alabas na lang yan. But learn to respect other people's silence too. I think applicable pa rin yun hanggang ngayon. You can grieve, you can cry, but never use that as an excuse to disrespect or to take advantage. After all, 11 years hindi biro yan. Now, if you're dealing in the same situation right now, you might be dealing with annulment or separation from your spouse or hiwalayan from long-term relationship. Words are not enough to make you feel better. Hindi ko nga alam kung may salita bang makakapawi ng sakit. So, just take your time. Sometimes, it's not the length of the relationship that matters, but how you maintain having that kind of relationship. May mga parte talaga sa buhay natin na hindi natin akalaing magtatapos. Pero lagi mong tandaan, ending something, a relationship, is not the end of it all. It's just the beginning that maybe you deserve something better. At ang message ko sa dalawa, you did a good fight and marami kayong pinasaya. Though, at this moment in time, maraming nalulungkot at umiiyak. But Katniel basically inspired a lot of people to become better in love. Kahit nasasaktan tayong lahat ngayon, darating din ang panahon na kami makaka-move on. And we're excited to see your future partners, who may it be. And always understand that every ending always has a new beginning.